We're in Berlin today because today is Rave the Planet, which is the new Loveparade. And the two of us, we're big into raving. Also, weather's going to be great today and lots of people are coming to Berlin today to have fun and to rave. And you get to join us.
Yeah, I've been to Rave the Planet already last year and it was really amazing. The atmosphere was great, music was great, and plenty of people were there and it was an awesome experience. So definitely worth it.
Yeah, I mean, when you told me about how much fun you had, I was so jealous. I was really sad I couldn't come, but I figured next year is going to be great, and today's the day. Rave the Planet has come again and we're going to rave, so let's do this.
Yeah, but bro, we cannot rave like this.
True.
Demands. 1. Recognition of electronic music culture as a cultural asset worthy of protection. Accompany.